I was happy and I could have lived the rest of my life that way, seriously. But that was not what happened. What happened was a terrible tragedy. I know any death is horrible, but man, dementia is horrible. And we were afraid of it for a long time because Jack's dad had dementia. It was a possibility for a long time, and it was a possibility that I never wanted to look at and never wanted to think about it and never wanted to plan for it. You know what I mean? And it happened, and it was going to break me one way or the other. And because I was in you first, I had personal growth beyond my wildest dreams. I mean, I had personal growth that I didn't even want to do. I mean, like I
didn't want it.
I would have been so happy not to have the opportunity. I really like the person that I am today. And I could not be this person without like the intensity of the caregiving partnered with the perspective of the group. It's hard for me to be okay, and even better than okay, and even better than when I started. And it feels like the price was his illness and his death, and it just sucks.
I feel the exact same way. Exact same way. I just consider it her final gift to me, you know? I was not driving the train. The train was going on the tracks.
Right.
And because I was like, well, I'm on this train, I might as well like be on the train. And because I did that, the journey of the train took me to a place I'm so grateful for and wouldn't not want to be, but
exactly
the cost of that. But then that wasn't out of my control. It's like, I'm glad of where I landed. It's very strange. And there's no place to put that, but it is only because you did the work.
right.
It wasn't that the opportunity happened, is that you took advantage of the opportunity to happen and you were in it and determined to figure out how not to lose yourself in it.
Had I not had you first, I really would have thought I'm not gonna survive this. I will not survive this heartbreak. But in reality, I think I would have survived the heartache, but it would have been a much longer trajectory.
Yeah,
as it was, even as it was, I'm just now like feeling like, oh, I feel rested. You know, I feel kind of solid.
Yeah. I think the fact that you feel rested now is because you didn't have to pick up the pieces of yourself and your life and the meaning of it all and all of that afterwards. And I think that's that's the gift of it. It's like you won't be picking up the pieces and you'll come out of it whole.
Yeah.
Grieving, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. That was great.
You're so welcome.
That was fantastic.